Okay everybody, this is like my third attempt to create this video for you. This is number 4 in my Stats Lab homework, and I'm going to show you first of all how to copy your data to Excel. As you can see down here at the bottom, I've done it several times already. Here we go. Here's our data. Notice that it's in the wrong order. We're trying to compare speed limit and death rate, where we think the change in speed limit causes a change in death rate. So we're going to have to change the order of our table by copying Control C, the first column, and pasting Control V, and then deleting the original first column. Okay, so now we have our data in the correct order. We're ready to create a scatter plot. So we will select our data, do Insert, Scatter. And there you go. You have a beautiful scatter plot. Now you might have noticed that your horizontal scale is not numbered anything like the horizontal scale in the answer choices, making your graph look different. So what I suggest you do is change your horizontal scale, and you do that by going to Layout, Axes, Primary Horizontal Axis, and more primary horizontal axis options. And so we want our minimum, since these are all 50, we want our minimum to be 50. We want our maximum to be 80, and you can take the decimal point off. Let's set it to the spacing to be by tens, and the intermediate value or the minor unit to be ones, and click close. So now then, we have horizontal scale that goes from 50 to 80, which is going to look more like the graphs on our answer choices. Okay, so out of the 3 choices, the one that matches our graph most closely is the first one. Speed limit on the horizontal axis, death rate on the vertical axis, and then as you can see, these points match up with these points. And so A would be the best answer choice. Final check. Great, we got that correct. Now then, there's another part, and the part is to calculate the correlation coefficient. And to calculate the correlation coefficient, first I'm going to label a spot for it, so that if I come back and look at this, I'll know this was the correlation coefficient. And I'm going to click Formulas. I'm going to click More Functions, Statistical, and the correlation coefficient is the Correl function. And so we want our X's to be speed limit. We want our Y's to be death rate, and we click OK. Uh-oh. B1. Oh, I know what I did. I got the, be careful on that. You don't want to get the title in there. So our correlation coefficient, which is showing you the strength of the relationship between speed limit and death rate, is approximately 0.59. So let's put that in here. Make sure I got it right. Yay, I got that right. Okay, now then we're going to characterize the correlation, and we have a drop-down box. I would say, since the correlation coefficient is positive, we have a positive correlation. It's not weak. We remember correlation coefficients go from -1 to +1. This is a little more than a half, and so I'd say we have a moderate positive correlation. And let's check that answer. We did it! Okay, I hope this helps you with some of your homework problems. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, I'll see you in the discussion. Bye.